Good morning, you guys. This is Mrs. Stimac. It's Sunday. I'm sorry. I'm here at school. I don't have any makeup on. I look horrible, but because I might be working with the 8th graders right now, I need to be able to show you guys how to solve an equation when it has a fraction right next to the variable. Okay, you've solved some where you had a problem like this, where it was like x over 6 minus 4 equals 12. You've solved some of these where the x was over the top of the number, but you have not solved any where the fraction is right next to the number. So I want to show you how to do that. First thing, as you know, that we do when we are solving our equations is we always draw our line, because you want to keep your equation balanced. It's very important that this side is equal to this side in the end. First thing you're going to do is you're going to move your 4. This is a positive 4 right now because you're looking to the sign right before it. This is a positive 4. So you're going to take the opposite of positive 4, which is, hopefully you know, negative 4. What you do to one side, you do to the other side, and we'll cross this out. Okay, so now we are left with this 1/2 x. And on this side, we're left with 10 and a negative 4, or another way to say that is 10 take away 4, and you get 6. Okay, this is the part where I don't think you're for sure what to do at this point. Because you have the 1/2 right next to the x, this means multiplication. So you're obviously going to be dividing by this 1/2. Okay, so really what this would look like is division by 1/2 over here on this side, and you're also going to have to divide 6 by 1/2. Okay, now as you recall, when you are doing division of fractions, when there are fractions involved with division, I'm hoping you remember that you have to flip that reciprocal. Okay, copy, dot, flip, flop. Okay, so we're going to take this 6 and we're going to flip this fraction. So instead of writing 1 over 2, you're actually going to be flipping it and putting 2 over 1. Okay, so then we're going to be multiplying this. 6 times 2 is 12 on the top, and 1 times 1 would be 1 on the bottom. Your final answer would be x equals 12. Okay, now let me show you the shortcut that I use. I don't even do this part. Yes, you need to know that you're dividing, but as soon as you see that you're dividing by this 1/2, basically what I do is I take this fraction and I just flip it right there, bring it over here, put the 6 over 1, and then just multiply to get my answer. So, oh, excuse me, to flip that to 2 over 1, sorry about that, guys, and then 6 times 2 is 12. So x is equal to 12. All right, now when you check that, to go back up to the top to check this, okay, you're going to go take this 12 and put it right where the x is. So what's half of 12? Well, half of 12 would be 6, and is 6 plus your 4 10? And yes, it is. All right, and you do need to start working on checking that every time, because when you get into 7th grade next year, it's going to be huge. All right? Oh, of course, drama with the eraser. I'm going to erase that. Okay, I would like to try one more. Work on cleaning this later. All right, if we did 1/4 times, or 1/4 x minus 6 equals 12. And I'm just making this up. I'm not even for sure if this is going to work, but I just want you to go through the steps so you know what to do. Draw our line first. Okay, this time we're going to take the opposite of negative 6, because you have a negative 6 here. Okay, so what's the opposite of negative 6? Positive 6 on this side. What you do to one side, you do to the other side. Positive 6. Cross those out because those are gone. If you have a positive 6, $6 in your pocket, and you spend $6, you have nothing left. There's nothing, so just cross it out and it's gone. Now I bring this part down. So I have 1 over 4 x equals And then I have both of these numbers are positive, so I can add those together. It's just 12 plus 6, and I'm going to get 18. Okay, now this is the part where I realize that I still have the fraction next to the variable. I need to do the, right now this means multiplication, so I need to do the opposite of multiplication, which is division. Now I'm going to do my shortcut. You could draw a line and put 1/4 underneath, draw a line on this side, 1/4 underneath, but I know that what I'm going to be doing, since I have a fraction, is flipping that reciprocal. So instead of writing down 1/4, I'm going to be flipping it over here, 4/1. Now, I don't know my 18s very well, so I would have to pull out a calculator for this. 18 times 4 is going to be my top number, and then 1 times 1 is going to go on the bottom. My answer will be, looks like 72/1, or just 72. Okay, to check this, once again, I'm not for sure, I don't know my 4 facts as well, but if I put my 72 right here, and I said how many times will 4 go into 72, it's going to be 18 times. And 18 take away 6 is 12. So I know I'm correct. All right, hopefully this helps. So you watched the video showing you 2 different types of equations to do for your homework, and then this is the 3rd type of equation. All right, if you guys can master this by 6th grade, you're going to be awesome as a 7th grader. Okay, good luck.